In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your email templates for clear on-brand communication. We'll walk through where to find the settings, how to tailor the subject line and message, how to preview your changes with confidence, and how to save everything so it sticks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your automated emails sound polished, helpful, and aligned with your brand voice. First, click Settings. This is typically represented by a gear icon or labeled in the main navigation. If you manage multiple areas of your account, make sure you're in the correct workspace or project before you continue. It's a small thing, but it prevents you from editing the wrong configuration. Also, be sure you have the right permissions to make email edits. If you don't see what I'm showing, you may need an admin to grant access. Next, click Email Customization. This is where you control the look and language of your outgoing messages. You'll find the fields that matter most, the email subject and the body of the message. Depending on your platform, you might also see placeholders or variables that pull in details like a recipient's first name or a project title. These help you personalize without retyping the same information each time. Now, edit the email subject and message. Keep the subject short, specific, and human. Aim for clarity over cleverness, and avoid spammy words or excessive punctuation. If personalization tokens are available, use them thoughtfully to make the subject feel relevant. In the message body, lead with the most important information, set expectations clearly, and add a concise call to action if one is needed. Keep paragraphs short for readability, and use plain, friendly language. If you reference links, confirm the URLs are correct. Avoid including any sensitive details like passwords, personal phone numbers, or private account information. A quick tone check goes a long way. Read it aloud and make sure it sounds like something you'd actually say to a customer. Before you finalize anything, review the preview. This is your chance to catch typos, awkward phrasing, or formatting issues. Check that any placeholders display the way you expect. Confirm spacing and line breaks look clean, and skim for accessibility. Clear language, descriptive link text, and no reliance on images to convey key information. When everything looks right, click Save Changes. Wait for the confirmation message so you know your updates are locked in. If you navigate away before that, your edits may not be applied. That's it. Your email customization is complete and ready to go live.